Hello, my friends. I hope you are having a great day. My name is Joel Hill, and I would like to share with you today a new opportunity that I just joined. But first, if you would hit the like button and that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. I've been in the direct mail marketing business now for a while, and I can pretty much tell what works and what doesn't work. This program works, and it works very well. It's called the Amazing $100 Loan Program. It consists of this one-page, eye-catching, very colorful and informative flyer that you would mail out. If you could put a stamp and a name on an envelope and drop it in the mailbox, you can do this program and start receiving $100 cash or money orders on a consistent basis. It just doesn't get any easier than that. When you join, you will receive 2 camera-ready copies of this flyer with your name in dealer box number 1. You will receive the Ultimate Mailing List Directory, WTM Dual Business CD with full reproduction and resale rights. It's easy to join. Just follow the 3 simple steps and mail in to join. Mail $100 in a folded piece of paper to the name and address in box 1. Mail $100 in a folded piece of paper to the name and address in box 2. And then mail $50 in a folded piece of paper to the name and address in box 3. Be sure to conceal the cash or money order in those folded pieces of paper. Also, be sure to use priority mail so you can track your order. Get enrolled today and start collecting your $100 payments. As you can see, this flyer, it says the Amazing $100 Loan Program. Every day, my mailbox is crammed full of $100 cash bills, just for mailing out copies of this special letter. And now you can do the same. Let's scroll down. As you can see, my name is in box 1, my sponsor's name is in box 2, and the administration's name is in box 3. You would mail $100 cash or money order to me, to my address, and then mail $100 cash or money order to Eric Pantalone, he is my sponsor, and then mail a $50 cash money or money order to WTM Publications at that address. Be sure to fill out these, check these boxes here and fill out your name, your address, and zip, state, and telephone number and email, and mail it to WTM Publications. So my friend, if you are looking for a great way to generate some very good cash, go to the description of this video below. My name, my phone number, my email address is there. My website address is also there. You can put in your name and your email address, and it will take you over to a page where you can see this very flyer that you can save and you can print it out. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope to hear from you soon. Give me a call, email me, or text me. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.